In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Buy Now button on Shopify product page. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is from here in the left hand side, you want to add apps. So click here on add apps and click here on Shopify App Store. Now from here, simply search for Buy button and just choose any buy button you want or you like from here. So let's just choose this free button and click on install. Now let's just click on install again. Now, as you can see, the buy button is now here. So what we want to do is create a buy button, product buy button. And from here, you want to select your products. So in my case, I don't have any products yet. So after you have created that, as you can see here, the last step is copy the code. So after that, you want to copy the code of your buy button. So you want to go back, just X, X. Now go to your online store. Now customize your online store. And from here, what you want to do is simply add the code. So what we can do is here add a section and click on custom liquid. So for example, I just put this section right here, but you can put it in the bottom or anywhere you like. So as you can see, there's this custom liquid right here, and simply you want to paste the code right here in the right hand side. The liquid code you just copied from your buy button. Now click on save, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.